What the fuck is this?
I like my bitches crazy, see something she wantin', ain't nobody stopping her. Booty slam body, bitch, we bumpin' Mr. Popular. Booty shaking like a bitch, like ain't nobody dropping her. Booty, you can copy this, cause I'll be there to pop for sure. STS straight out of Canada, so tell me what is funny. Lark the link, cause I don't gotta lark, cause I be getting money. Think you hot, but I've been in the street, so tell me why you running. Goopy her, yeah, she a dirty slut, now I can be your honey.
We got Connor's YouTube 350. This shit, I don't know whose shit that is. The Galaxy GT 500 though. Shit clean as hell. Shelby. This shit just missing when we got here, bro. Fuck that song, bro. Damn, the filming on this shit is crazy, bro. Oh, if I took, oh, what year is this shit?
Dale mami, dale, mueve la puerta acá. Taca, 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 taca. Que si te gusta yo te voy a soltar la nalga. Taca, 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 taca. Dale mami, dale, mueve la puerta acá. Taca, 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 taca. Que si te gusta yo te voy a soltar la nalga. No lo robaré. Dale, mueve la puerta, dale, mueve la puerta acá. Taca, 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 taca. Taca, 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 taca.
You got a nice ass vet.
Is that the one that?
Key. Man, get the fucking front.
Guaremate de por vida, guaremate de por vida, guaremate de por vida, guaremate de por vida, guaremate de por vida. Ustedes tienen que hacer lo que yo diga. Guaremate de por vida, guaremate de por vida, guaremate de por vida, guaremate de por vida,
I got bro like 5. This started was crazy. You got the meat. Made that chuchero. Holy shit. Kevin shit. Damn. I think I got this one before. I don't remember this shit. This shit clean, bruh.
We got black.
Damn. Shit looks sexy as fuck.
No, it's fucking crazy, bro. Germany, all you see. Yeah, Porsche, BMW, and it's like the regular motherfucker can own one. Yeah. My mom had a fucking Porsche.
Shit, nice. Nah, that shit crazy, bro. 0 to 60 might work. Got this shit too. That shit don't just come bubbly with it, bro.
Lo levanté, atentamente si tu estrella, siente la palma, quiero la pata, pero le tiene los grandes, por eso chota, su moro gusano, me sube te tiro si yo se la
después de la triga con lo que tú quieras. Si tú cambias Luis, que hacen una balacera, porque aunque tú me veas así, me la prendo con cualquiera. Tú estás bonita, más muñequita de cera.
Oh yeah, they coming to us, bro. We the first ones at the meet.
Are you gonna?
Get in the whip. I fucking track better than this. Why not? Shit, man.
I think like change right. It does already.
Nah, he just came in this bitch. Okay,
Right hand driving.
What is it? I think Blackout posted a beat there. It was so rowdy. Those guys made it. Oh shit.
They late as hell, I know them. They in the group chat, but
That nigga shit crazy, man.
that shit's so crazy.
pesos. I'm almost done, man.
The fuck? Way back door here. Copyright back shit.
No, siempre pisteamos durante la noche, güey. Ya.
Rambo's insane. What you got in here?
Look, he got his boosted, bro. Down there, bro.
Where? Oh shit. Two cameras in. Damn. How did bro do this?
The first person they got the first fucking banner, you're gonna get that. The first
You're getting
person that gets the
baptized.
perfect banner, bro, they're gonna kick the fuck out. You're gonna have me estaban diciendo que estaba bien, nada más que como yo a veces no lo manejo mucho tiempo, dicen que si no lo... Está duro, bro, está duro. Uy, va a ser el empate. Uf, es duro.
What the? Oh, that beep and shit.
Yeah, cause it's been a drop.
Que se le tiene que separar, yo le digo, ay, Dios se dio la vuelta, lo malo ya se comprometió, yo le digo, sí, porque me gusta, y yo le digo, sí, porque me gusta.
Ay, y tan bonito que se ve.
El diablo se le diga, se metió en el sistema, ya tiene su hijo, se le salió el problema, ya se estoy pinchando, se...
Damn. Any rims on this shit and all that.
That stretched the fuck out. I will put that space down.
Hey.
It's a really awkward moment for your video. I'm sorry.
Nah, you're good. You're good.
Last time I put that's like the worst.
Like this? Not for real, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna get under the little bit. Right. It's looking better. So now, shit, you might be able to see the whips. Might not. Got Grand's car. Shit, nice. But blue lights, bro. What the fuck they looking for?